Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Thursday, November 13th. A cold front moved through the state yesterday, and with some lingering moisture across central Georgia, there is the potential to see showers across central Georgia through tonight. In addition, with a stronger pressure gradient setting up across the area, we could see some gusty winds this afternoon. Looking at our sustained winds shown here on the map, we could see winds around 15 miles per hour sustained, with gusts a little bit higher than this. However, this does not meet our wind advisory criteria. The main story, though, over the next week are the cold temperatures. So initially, we've seen some cooler, low temperatures if you look today through Saturday morning, and then as we get into Sunday and Monday, that's when we're going to see the rain, and then the cold temperatures are going to move in again behind that, with the coldest temperatures over the next week being Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So after the rain, Sunday and Monday, we'll have those cold temperatures moving back into the area Monday night. So we're looking at our Tuesday morning low temperatures here on the left, around 28 in Atlanta, and then if you account for that, the wind with that, the feels like temperature or wind chill is going to feel like it's in the teens across much of north and portions of central Georgia. It won't warm up much for Tuesday. We're looking at temperatures ranging from the upper 30s across North Georgia to the upper 40s across Central Georgia. And looking at our low maximum temperature record, so looking at the maximum temperature for the day, what's the coolest maximum temperature we've ever had for that particular day, it looks like we could tie that at both Macon and Columbus. There still is time for the forecast to change, though, but right now we're forecasting to tie our low maximum temperatures for Tuesday. Wednesday morning looks to be the coldest over the next week, and we actually may tie or break some of our low temperature records, particularly across the Columbus to Macon area. Combine those cold temperatures with gusty winds, and you get some low wind chill values. So right now we're looking at wind chill values for Wednesday morning in the teens for much of north and central Georgia. So wrapping up the temperature portion of this briefing, we do have a freeze warning out for much of north and central Georgia tonight. Now, this frost freeze program will continue through November 20th, except there are a few exceptions to this. Any area that's had a hard freeze, which is 28 degrees or less, we will end the program for them. So no more freeze warnings or frost advisories once an area has reached 28 degrees. So this has already happened for Gilmer, Fannin, Union, and Towns, and that's why we're not issuing frost advisories or freeze warnings for that area. Now we'll have to reevaluate the areas again tonight, since we do have a freeze warning out and we are expecting some areas to potentially reach that 28 degree mark. If we do have a significant area that reaches 28 degrees or less, then we can end the frost freeze program for those areas. So as we mentioned earlier, the rain should return for this Sunday into Monday time frame. While the rain begins Sunday, and the best chances seem to be Sunday night into Monday at this point, the rain should begin tapering off as we get into Monday night. Overall, we're not looking at too significant rainfall amounts with this event Sunday into Monday, so basically 1.5 inches or less across north and central Georgia. So we've got cold temperatures over the next week, and we have precipitation moving in for the second half of the weekend into next week. So is it going to snow? Well, it actually looks like the precipitation that we're going to have Sunday into Monday should move out before that next round of really cold air moves in Monday night. So for the most part, we're not expecting any snow. The exception to this and the area we need to watch is across far north Georgia in that Monday night time frame, as some of that moisture may linger and we'll have those cold temperatures moving in. If that did happen, we could end up seeing some flurries across far north Georgia Monday night. But the moisture with that looks like it's going to be limited. It's going to be very shallow at the surface. You can see here in the picture, the red line, which is the temperature, and the green line, which is the dew point, are very close together. So it's very moist. We have that moisture at the surface, but it's very dry above the surface. So we're not looking at a deep layer of moisture, so not looking for snow, basically just looking for potentially snow flurries Monday night if conditions stay the same as what we're looking at right now. With the cold weather coming up, make sure you follow cold weather safety precautions. So in summary, we have this initial cold period of temperatures through Saturday morning. We'll have some rain move in for Sunday and Monday, and then behind that rain, we'll get more cold temperatures moving in. And our wind chills will actually dip down into the teens across much of north and central Georgia Wednesday morning and even parts of the area Tuesday morning. Again, our moisture should move out before the cold temperatures come in. If there's any area to watch, though, it would be far north Georgia and the mountain areas where there could be some lingering moisture Monday night into Tuesday morning. If that happens, as the cold air moves in, we could see some flurries across that area.